ब्यूटीफुल गुड इवनिंग, नमस्कार। इफी 49th में आप सबका स्वागत है। 49th इफी is back here. The festival times are back again, and we have one of the best films for the year to be premiered here.
Thank you.
The Aspern Papers, the cast and crew, the director, a young, dashing, wonderful director is here. We have with us the festival director, Mr. Chetan Prasad, also, who's been man behind all the efforts and got the films out here.
It's also a pleasure for me to be here. For me, it's my second time in India, so I have been here before. But it's always a pleasure to come here. It's such a nice country. I love the people here. So it's really a super nice experience for me to be here, even if it's just for 2 days. But still, I'm very happy. Aspern Papers for me was a very, very special movie as well, because I always wanted to act in a historic movie and a costume movie, and that was my first chance to do so. And I'm also a big fan of Venice and the old Venice, and I always wanted to take part in the real traditional Venice carnival costume party. And we had one scene in the movie where we all get dressed with the huge Dolce and Gabbana gowns, and it was really amazing. And for me, it was a kind of time travel. I felt like I'm back in the 19th century, and that was really amazing. It was for me kind of chance to see how the life back then was, and it's amazing movie.
When I met Barbara, I thought she was the perfect incarnation of purified light paintings, which was a huge inspiration in the film. And you will see.
Thank you.
What is the problem you face when you are making this screenplay at the time of screenplay, and whether you have dropped so many things from Henry's novel?
Yes. You mean how does the novel connect to the world nowadays?
Yeah. Two questions I have.
Yes. I mean, I feel that the world never changes. I mean, human nature never changes. I mean, eras are more repressed or freer, and I feel we live both in a repressed era and a very free era morally at the same time. And you can see that in the Aspern Papers. I mean, when Juliana Bordereau, Vanessa's character, was young, and she had that wild, free life also with the two poets. And in the Victorian era, where the film is set, like, every emotion was repressed. I mean, people were looking to express themselves and couldn't. And that's the quest of the two main characters played by Jonathan Rhys-Meyers and Miss Tina at the same time. And you will see how it evolves, especially for Miss Tina, who is she's a 40-year-old woman who lives in in the shadow of her aunt, who dominates her and manipulates her, and who feels like she hasn't lived the life that she would have wanted to, and that stranger intruding into her life and trying to manipulate her will awaken what she is, and you see how it's connected to our world nowadays, where especially concerning women and their independence and freedom. And I love what Henry James created at the end of that novel, which for a long time would have been considered like a weird ending, but nowadays I think it's the perfect ending. Well, she was the obvious choice to play Juliana Bordereau. I mean, Juliana Bordereau, as I thought, was Claire Clermont, who was a very wild lady living and leading a scandalous life with two of the most famous poets at the beginning of the 19th century. And Henry James learned that woman was still alive and living in Florence, not in Venice, at the end of the century, and was feeling very bitter about what she had lived with Shelley and Byron, and you will see in the film why. And I thought, which actress was that age, had that strength, which has Juliana, and then I knew that Sir Michael Redgrave, Vanessa's father, adapted also the Aspern Papers for the theatre, and Vanessa has played Miss Tina, which is played by her daughter Jodie Richardson at the Haymarket Theatre in 1984 with Christopher Reeves. And so, Jodie and Vanessa are the first actresses I contacted for this film, and I'm very happy they reacted very fast. I mean, I first met Jodie, and she told me, like, have you sent your script to my mother? Because like 10 days before I received your script, she gave me that book to read, saying it would be a great part for you. And yeah, that's how it happened. And yeah, you see, she's extraordinary. She's like an orchestra of emotions, going from sadness to imperiousness to acerbity to yeah, she's absolutely extraordinary, I must say. And I'm I feel blessed to have had her in my first feature film.